What if Nike created a revolutionary chameleon compression top? That's the artistic challenge I've set for myself. Nike takes its name from the goddess of victory. Its storytelling is rooted in competition and self-improvement. For this challenge, let's connect the dots, creativity, and the merging of existing concepts from a new angle. In nature, it's the survival of the fittest. The chameleon, thanks to its nanocrystals, changes color to camouflage and escape predators. In homage to this ability, let's create a Nike product inspired by it. What would an ad campaign for a Nike top with chameleon technology look like? Let's do this. The top should reflect the environment and change color accordingly. Let's draw inspiration from iridescence, the property that changes color based on the angle of view or light. It's found in soap bubbles, butterfly wings. This would make our product even more attractive. To give it a premium feel, let's use nanocrystals to create an exceptional texture for our fabric, choosing this type of granulation specifically for its unique characteristics, similar to mesh or embossed fabric. I imagine a sporty model in action at the center of the composition, respecting the golden ratio. I love the 80s editorial typography style, symbolizing a return to authenticity. It aligns well with our nature-inspired approach. And there you have it. Wait, sounds better like that.